This is the emergency alert system. This is not a test. Please stand by for an emergency message. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of local authorities, Mayor Carol Holliday and the Hometown Police Department. This is a shelter-in-place warning, effective immediately. At approximately 1825 Eastern Daylight Time, multiple simultaneous earthquakes with an estimated magnitude range of 3.4 to a maximum of 5.7 were recorded within the central hometown area. In the seconds following the shaking, flowing pillars of white, surrounded in a teal glow, erupted from cracks within infrastructure, fading black and forming stone spires to an unknown height. Additionally, numerous sightings of a shadowed figure in white outline were recorded during the incident. This figure, described as a tall, skinny humanoid in knight's armor with... This entity is highly volatile, and should not be approached. This is an abnormal emergency, and citizens are instructed to shelter in place immediately as the Hometown Police Department attempts to handle this anomalous situation. Do not go outside. Do not interact with the shadowed figure. Do not approach stone pillars. Do not be a